Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Word tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we remove extra space from a paragraph in Microsoft Word. So if you take a look at this paragraph, it is having a huge amount of space among the lines, like there is some extra space over here as well. If you click on backspace, then also it's not working properly, right? So what do we do? That is, how can we overcome this kind of a situation? Let's just see, like if you just backspace it, then also the problem is still there. So how do you overcome this kind of a problem, right? So what you need to do is just select the text that is showing you extra space. Then what you need to do is go to this home tab. In the home tab there is this paragraph group. In this paragraph group you have to select this kind of an option, that is the line and the paragraph spacing option. Just select on it, and from here you can just select on one. If you just select on one, you will see that the space has been reduced to 1, right? You can just adjust some things like this over here by just using the enter key and the backspace key. Still, if you are not satisfied with the space, you want a particular amount of space between the lines, then what you can do is again select the text, go to this paragraph group, line and spacing options, and select on this line spacing options menu. Now here what you would be able to do is actually select the lines between actual space between the lines, like 1.5 lines. If you just select that and click on OK, then the space between the lines is now of 1.5 lines. By default it is kept as single, that is 1, which you can control from here as well. Okay, but if you say want a double line, that also you can select. But if you want exact number of lines, so you can just select this option known as exactly. Like right now if you see, the font size is 12 points. Here you can see in the home tab's font group on the top left corner, and that is why the line space is exactly set as 12 points. But if you try to reduce it to, let's say, 6 points, okay, and then click on OK, then what you see is the space between the lines is very limited. That is why the text is looking smudgy. So this is also a problem. That is why if you're just going for an exact line option or exact space between the lines, make sure not to do it too small or too big. Like if you just do it 11 points and click on OK, then that is fine. It is not looking very good, but it is still acceptable. Similarly, if you want to increase it, let's say we do 110 points over here, okay, and then click on OK. So this is a huge gap between the lines. If the requirement of the document is this much space between the lines, then you can do that. But for a general standard document, this is not the way things work. So what we can do is actually keep it at 14 points, okay. Let's just keep it at 14 points and then click on OK. So this is how the line spacing is looking, and that's how you set the space between the lines in a Word document. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.